Hello everyone, today we're gonna do the review for a vacuum cleaner. It's called Homeika. So let's open the box and look at it. Okay, let's open the box. Well, there's a catalog, user manual, and a few pieces we have to unpack. Very nice color. Purple. Charger. And the final page. There's one more. This is the wall mounted if you want to mount it to the wall. And the battery. And the final piece. Alright, let's put it together. Easy to assemble, adjustable height, and that's it. Now let's put the battery. Gonna slide the battery in there, and ready to be charged. So we're gonna charge for a few hours. Now let's try it. I put some rice on the floor, so let's see how does it work. Good job, got all the rice. Now let's try on the carpet. Carpet. See how does it look? Alright. Good job, we got the rice. Now let's vacuum the floor. Let's vacuum the room. Have different power. Let's see how dirty is the floor. Alright. After vacuuming the floor. Let's check out the trash. Alright. Wow. It's full. There's a small place for trash, but it's worked good. Thank you for watching.